For the love of God, your sanity, and your car, please don't drive your car if your area is flooded and if it doesn't have this kind of tire. Okay. But why would a normal person even do that in the first place?
Go and ask your grandfather.
I get it now. If you drive any of these car brands, it's better to park your car at home if it is flooded, or else
it's okay.
But some of you will say, I drive an Outlander, I drive an SUV, I can go through anything. Bro, anything is not water. But who am I anyway to advise a billionaire?
When I get more money, go
Okay, let me put it this way. These are some of the car brands that will fry faster than a car if you attempt to drive them to floods. Let's go. 1. German machines, Mercedes-Benz, BMWs, and Audis. These beauties are fancy, great for showing off, but terrible in surviving in flood. Their engines and electrical system are as waterproof as a St. Louis sugar cube. If you don't get it, Korean and French cars. Talking about Hyundai, Kias, Peugeot, and French. You haven't even drive these through water, and they're already showing you a lot of crazy. Now, just imagine what will happen when you drive them through flood. Well, don't stop imagining, because the reality will definitely shock you. Stay there, don't move. Just keep imagining. Stay there. 3. American-made low cars. If you don't drive an American pickup, abeg, wetin concern you and flood? And finally, number 4, Chinese-made cars. Jack, MG, Cherry, Inosin, Great Wall, Jimmy, or anything with a Chinese name tag. If you dare drive these cars through flood, trust me, your warranty won't be able to cover the damages. Flood and cars generally do not mix. When it comes to flood, stay safe, park your car on higher ground. And if you must go out, look for other safer alternatives, or get a car that could easily handle the specified weather condition. Trust me, your car and your wallet will thank you. Don't mention.